One of our newer features of Kansas Analytics is the ability to produce and download a large number of queries at one time. This is particularly useful, for example, during the final review process when you're processing a lot of data or the certification process. It also will be used throughout the year for some normal maintenance type queries. And it simply means that once you're signed to our program, certain queries will be run, in this case, every night, downloaded to Kansas Analytics, and all you have to do is assign into Kansas Analytics and download those queries. They're already run for you, and they will be rerun. In this case, every night, sometimes once a week, depending on the time of year. To download that data, simply go to Review Data, Dropbox File Access, and you'll be downloading content, obviously. In this case, this is some of the certification queries that you will see. The original output is all the files as well. And you can download a query one at a time. If you just want this query, you simply click download. It downloads to your computer just that one file. In most cases, you're going to download everything. You do that by clicking here. You're going to see a couple of buttons that are unique to me, and take whatever options to continue with the download only. And it will ask you where you want to put that. We'll put it in a new folder here in downloads just for our purposes, and open those, and those will be downloaded to your computer as a zip file. You simply click on them, open them, and use them as you want. It's a simple process. Uh, this is available currently just to our clients, and we set up a specific set of queries, and we'll work with you on that and let you know, give you what kind of schedule we're looking at for this. Great feature. It saves you a lot of times, particularly in the final review process and certification when you have multiple queries to run. You can spend hours literally running these. We'll have these ready and available for you to download in the morning when you come into work. Thank you.